I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at stockandoptionmarketmentor.com on Thursday, October 18th. And today I just want to take a quick look at Facebook. Okay, you know what happened to Google? They missed earnings estimates by like 10%. This is what happens to a high-flying stock, a stock that ran, let's look at the percentage here. Okay, 35% since July. So they miss estimates, and as it was, you know, frankly, even if they made estimates, the stock still probably would have sold off a little bit because this was an earnings run. It was, you know, 35% in a few months. So it would be time to take profits. But now, this thing, it's not just time to take profits, it's time to cover your rear. So what does this do to Facebook? Well, Facebook is trading down very, very close to its low here of 17.55. So this is like less than $1.50 away. So what are you going to do? Look, Facebook announces earnings on the 23rd of October. Now, do you think Google's earnings give any indication of maybe some of the things that Facebook might be struggling with? I do. And so I don't see, you know, and I've got no crystal ball here. I'm very clear about that. But I don't see how this company is going to just wow the analysts with a great quarter when a company like Google struggled. Also, and this is important too, it's really important, a heck of a lot more important than earnings, we've got these lockups that are due to come unlocked. In other words, you've got all of these shares held by insiders that are going to be available for sale pretty soon. So my suggestion with Facebook is, look, stay away from this. It's funny, I was watching CNBC just before I started doing this video, and Donald Trump was talking to Maria, and he said he actually bought Facebook. I don't know if he bought it today, but he said he bought it at 17 and something. So if that was the case, that was a pretty good trade for him. But he says, I don't know if it's a good deal or not. Now, I don't really care what Donald Trump invests in the stock market. I'm pretty comfortable with my own analysis. I don't need his real estate. That's another story. But the point is, you do have investors stepping in saying that, you know, maybe there's some value here. What I would suggest doing, though, is just stand aside, let this thing do what it's going to do. It only started trading several months ago. We've got a long way to trade. I would just stand aside, let the stock start drifting higher. It's actually safer to buy this thing higher than it is lower. So for the time being, I mean, if you want to short, you know, that's great. Get your adrenaline while you can. But I just think Facebook goes lower from here. It's a very, very risky trade. Okay, members, get over to the strategy session. We've got a lot of stuff cooking over there, so I want you to do that. Also, if you haven't subscribed to Option Market Mentor, it's $7.77, and that's risk-free. We'll refund your money the first month if you don't like it. If you do, then I hope you stick around because the forum is rocking over there.